Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on reasoning in geometry. Many questions in geometry will ask you to find unknown angles or lengths. You will also be asked to give a reason for your answers. Let's look at some examples. For each of the following, find the unknown pronumeral and give reasons for your answers. What we have to do is find angle W, which is here. We have to find that angle, and that's the diagram that we're given. Here's a solution. Angle AMC equals 180 degrees minus 56 degrees minus 78 degrees. So this angle here, that one there, will equal 180 minus those two. And the reason we do that is the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. That is the reasoning for that statement there. If we add those two up, that gives us 180 degrees minus 134 degrees, which gives us 46 degrees. So, if that's 46 degrees, that means angle DMB is 46 degrees. So this one here, that one there, is 46 degrees. And the reason is that vertically opposite angles, okay, because that angle is equal to that angle. So we worked out that that was 46. So this must be 46 because they're vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle W will be 180 degrees minus 62 minus 46. Again, the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. And that's the reason for this statement there. So W will be 180 minus 62 minus 46, which is 180 minus 108, which is 72 degrees. So angle W is 72 degrees. Notice that for each of the statements we made, we gave a reason. Okay? We gave a reason. So for that statement, there's the reason. For this statement, there's the reason. And for that statement, there's the reason. Number 2. Find angle H, which is this one. Angle H will be the sum of angle A and angle B. So I've done a construction line there, see that? And that construction line is parallel to those two lines there. So angle A will be 45 degrees. And the reason? Co-interior. It's a co-interior angle with this one. So 135 plus 45, that's 180. And that's why angle A is 45 degrees. Angle B is 40 degrees, so that's 40 degrees there. Co-interior. Angle B is co-interior angle. So B and 140 are co-interior angles, so that's 40. We've already worked out that's 45. We've worked out that's 40. So angle H must be 85 degrees because it's the sum of angle A and B. We've already written that down. So angle H equals 85 degrees. Number 3, we have two lines here crossing, intersecting at that point. Here we have 5x minus 10, and here we have 60 degrees. We can write that 5x minus 10 equals 60, so that angle equals that angle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. That is the reason. Add 10 to both sides to give us 5x equals 70. Therefore, x must be 14. So, the value of x is 14 degrees, and that makes that angle there also 60 degrees. So this video has given us a few examples where we've answered some geometry questions, and whatever important statement we've made, we had to give a reason for it. And that's why we call it reasoning in geometry.